Welcome to the Product Digest. Today, we're diving into The Lean Startup by Eric Ries, a book that has transformed how entrepreneurs build businesses in a world of uncertainty. Whether you're launching a new startup or creating a product within an established company, this book provides a step-by-step approach to test ideas quickly, iterate effectively, and avoid wasting time and resources. Let's explore the principles and practices of the Lean Startup methodology and how they can help you innovate smarter, not harder. The core idea. At its heart, the Lean Startup is about creating value while minimizing waste. Ries argues that startups operate in an environment of extreme uncertainty, and traditional business practices, like long development cycles and static business plans, don't work. Instead, the Lean Startup methodology is built around three key principles: build, measure, learn, a continuous feedback loop to test and validate ideas quickly; validated learning, making decisions based on data rather than assumptions; innovation accounting, measuring progress using actionable metrics instead of vanity metrics; build, measure, learn, the feedback loop. The build, measure, learn loop is the core process of the Lean Startup methodology. It emphasizes rapid experimentation and iterative learning to refine your product and strategy. Build. Start with a minimum viable product, MVP, the simplest version of your product that allows you to test your core assumptions. Example, Dropbox's MVP was a simple explainer video that demonstrated the concept. The video helped validate customer demand before they built the full product. Measure. Gather data to understand how customers interact with your product. Focus on actionable metrics, such as customer acquisition, retention, or engagement. Example, Zappos initially measured customer demand by posting photos of shoes online and manually fulfilling orders. Learn. Use the data to decide whether to pivot, change direction, or persevere. Continue with your current strategy. The goal is to adapt quickly based on real-world insights. The minimum viable product, MVP. The MVP is a cornerstone of the Lean Startup methodology. It's not about creating a half-baked product. It's about building just enough to test your assumptions and learn from customers. Why MVPs matter? Save time and money by testing ideas early. Avoid building products that customers don't want. Gather feedback before committing to large-scale development. Types of MVPs. Landing pages. Create a simple web page to gauge interest in your idea. Wizard of Oz. MVP, simulate a product manually before automating it. For example, Zappos initially fulfilled orders by buying shoes from stores and shipping them. Concierge MVP. Offer a high-touch manual service to test demand before scaling. Validated learning. Validated learning is about systematically testing hypotheses and using data to confirm whether your ideas are correct. It's a scientific approach to entrepreneurship, replacing guesswork with measurable progress. Steps to validated learning. 1. Formulate hypotheses about your customers, product, or market. 2. Design experiments to test these hypotheses. 3. Analyze the results to validate or refute your assumptions. Example, IMVU, a social avatar company co-founded by Eric Ries, learned through experiments that customers weren't interested in installing new software. This insight led them to pivot toward a simpler web-based product. Pivot or persevere. One of the most critical decisions in a startup is knowing when to pivot or persevere. A pivot involves making a fundamental change to your strategy while retaining your vision. Signs. It's time to pivot. Poor customer feedback or low engagement. Data shows that your assumptions about the market or product are wrong. The business model is not sustainable. Examples of pivots. Instagram started as a location-based check-in app, Bourbon, before pivoting to a photo-sharing platform. Slack began as an internal communication tool for a gaming company before becoming the collaboration software we know today. Innovation accounting. Traditional financial metrics don't work for startups in their early stages. Instead, the Lean Startup introduces innovation accounting, a framework to measure progress in a meaningful way. 1. Actionable metrics. Focus on metrics that drive decision-making, for example, conversion rates, customer retention, rather than vanity metrics like website visits or app downloads. 2. Cohort analysis. Track how different groups of users behave over time to understand what's working. 3. Split testing, A/B testing. Experiment with variations of your product to identify what resonates with users. Innovation accounting ensures you're measuring what truly matters and helps you avoid misleading metrics that inflate your ego but don't drive progress. The build, measure, learn culture. The Lean Startup isn't just a set of tools, it's a mindset. To implement this methodology, companies need to foster a culture of rapid experimentation. Encourage teams to test ideas quickly and iterate based on results. Customer centricity. Put customers at the center of decision-making. Their feedback should guide your product's development. Continuous improvement. View failure as an opportunity to learn and improve. Example: Amazon's culture emphasizes experimentation, from testing new features to launching new businesses like AWS. Real-world examples. The book includes inspiring examples of companies that applied Lean Startup principles to achieve success. 1. Dropbox. Validated demand with an explainer video before building the product. 2. Toyota. Lean manufacturing principles inspired the methodology, focusing on efficiency and eliminating waste. 3. Groupon. Started as a simple WordPress blog to test the group buying model before scaling. Common pitfalls. Ries also warns against common mistakes. 1. Overbuilding. Spending months perfecting a product without testing assumptions. 2. Focusing on vanity metrics. Relying on metrics that look good but don't drive real progress. 3. Delaying launch. Waiting too long to release your MVP can result in missed opportunities and wasted resources. Key lessons. 1. Start small, learn fast, launch with an MVP to test your ideas quickly and gather feedback. 2. Focus on the customer. Build products that solve real customer problems. 3. Adapt to change. Be prepared to pivot when data shows your assumptions are wrong. 4. Measure what matters. Use actionable metrics to track progress and make informed decisions. 5. Foster a lean culture. Encourage experimentation, learning, and continuous improvement within your organization. Conclusion. The Lean Startup is a practical guide for building businesses in an era of uncertainty. Eric Ries provides a roadmap for creating value, avoiding waste, and navigating the challenges of innovation. Whether you're launching a startup or driving change within a large organization, these principles will help you move faster, learn more, and build products that truly resonate with customers. At the Product Digest, we're committed to bringing you actionable insights from the best business and innovation books. If you found this summary valuable, don't forget to like this video, share it with your network, and subscribe to our channel. Remember, building a successful business isn't about guessing, it's about learning. See you in the next episode.